So the difference with doing a single and a double is, you know, when we were doing the double, we started at the top to get just enough hair in, then stick to the bottom. When you're doing the single tape, you apply it to the bottom of the hair first. That goes on first. I give it a nice little rub here with my extra long nail. Actually, this little gadget's for sale at the booth. I love it. I couldn't live without it when it comes to installing because I'm now addicted to it. It's like, where's my picker? So the idea then is that you take these single tape. They come in a pack here. There's 48 pieces in a pack. They are also at the Donna booth. And it just peels off, and it's sticky only on one side. Okay? So the idea is that once you've picked all that loose hair that's there that can go away, that's not sticking to the hair, this little piece of tape with the sticky on one side literally lays right over the band like that, and this is not sticky then. So you can see how much softer and finer that's going to be when Lisa refines it for part of her fringe. It's genius, and I love that idea. So what we're going to be able to do is we're actually going to be able to bridge the gap, say, from her fringe to her length, again, in the process of growing out. Perhaps she had a quite short fringe. She's gotten it to here, and she's like, oh, I just wish my fringe was here. This is a great way. The magic of extensions, you know, we've always said when we cut hair, we always make that comment, right? And we say like, oh, we'll cut a little bit, and then we can cut a little more because we can't put it back on. That's what I love so much about extensions, is that it's actually so magical because you can literally take short hair and make it long, just like that. And if it's done well, and you take pride in your work, and you educate yourself on the application and the techniques, and you use quality hair, most of the time, nobody would ever know that this was extensions. They would look at these girls and be like envious of the amount of hair that they have, right? Yeah, for sure. So that's what I love most about the extensions, because you know, we can actually create that magic that normally you can't do with hair. Make it grow, make it thicker.
So this is just really quick. I'm going to blend these. You guys can see where Sherry left this. Just a quick little tip for you to know. And we do want to keep that front a little shorter, but you can see where her hair ends and the extensions begin, right? So what we want to do is just create a really soft transition. And you can do it either with your shears or with a razor, whatever is your choice of tool. I personally like to do it with my shears often. I'm just like really attached to my shears, while Sherry prefers the razor.
Yes.
Right?
I do.
All right, so really quickly, I'm just going to tell her what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this piece. This is going to be my starting point. I don't want to go into her hair. And then I'm just going to really, as they say, talk with my shears, open, close, and softly travel down this hair until I blend that in.